Do you find yourself constantly battling with lower back pain and hip discomfort? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, where many of us spend hours hunched over desks or slouch on couches, joint pain have become all too common. But it doesn't have to be this way. The key to alleviating these aches might be simpler than you think. Just 3 stretches a day could make a world of difference. The cat-cow pose. Our first stretch is the cat-cow pose. Start on all fours with your hand directly beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, dropping your belly toward the floor and lifting your head and tailbone toward the ceiling. This is the cow pose. Then, as you exhale, round your spine upwards, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button toward your spine. This is the cat pose. Repeat this flow, moving with your breath for at least 10 cycles. The piriformis stretch. Next up, we have the piriformis stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg straight out in front of you and the other leg crossed over, placing the foot flat on the ground. Hug your bent knee toward your chest, gently pulling it toward the opposite shoulder until you feel a stretch in your glutes and outer hip. Hold this position for 20 or 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. The hamstring stretch. Finally, let's target those tight hamstring with a simple seated hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with both legs extended straight out in front of you. Keeping your back straight, hinge at the hips and reach toward your toes. If you can't reach your toes, that's okay. Just go as far as you comfortably can while feeling a stretch in the back of your thigh. Hold this position for 20 or 30 seconds, then release. Incorporating these 3 stretches into your daily routine can significantly improve your flexibility, mobility, and overall quality of life. Remember, small habits like these can make a big difference in the long run. So why wait? Start stretching today and say goodbye to those pesky lower back and hip pains for good. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And until the next one.